Hey everyone, my name is Sam Blackwell and I am a program officer here at Greater Twin Cities United Way, and I oversee all of the work that we do in preventing and ending homelessness. At United Way, we really believe that safe, stable, and affordable housing is the foundation for every person's success. And we know that if we want to achieve our vision of everyone in our community thriving, we really need to come together as change makers and disrupt the historic and present systems that are driving thousands of people in our community, and particularly our Black, Indigenous, and neighbors of color, into homelessness. COVID-19 has hit folks who are experiencing homelessness in an outsized way. For folks who are living in shelter, that's a lot of people under one roof, and it's making it really difficult for folks to practice social distancing and to disinfect, right? And for folks who aren't living in shelter, it's really hard to stay at home and shelter at home if you don't have a safe place to live. So we've seen a lot of folks who have been in shelter who are moving out of shelter. We've seen encampments crop up across our region because folks are really concerned and really scared of the effects of the virus on their communities. So right now, it's critically important for us to do everything that we can as a community to help support folks who are moving out of shelter or who are moving off of the streets into safe, stable, and affordable housing. And that is why I am so excited and thankful for CommonBond communities who are providing long-term supportive and affordable housing for folks across our communities. Your support to the COVID-19 Response and Recovery Fund is allowing CommonBond to not only provide support to folks who are dealing with the virus itself, but also dealing with the economic shutdown that has happened as well, and providing the very basic but incredibly important things that they need to do in order to keep people safe and healthy, like sanitizing, providing personal protective equipment, all of those things that so many of us take for granted, but that are critically important in keeping people healthy and safe. So I'm incredibly thankful to CommonBond communities. I'm incredibly thankful to you as well as supporters of United Way. And I hope that you will stick around to hear more from CommonBond about what they're doing to help support people and help make sure that they are safe and healthy.
Hi there. My name is Deidre Schmidt, and I'm privileged to lead CommonBond communities. CommonBond provides affordable homes and support services to about 13,000 people tonight and every night. And the folks that we serve are among the most vulnerable to the physical and the financial consequences of COVID-19. Consider our senior residents who have to stay isolated in order to protect their physical health, even though isolation challenges their mental health. Think of the service industry workers who have lost their jobs and their ability to provide for their families, or the essential workers who still show up every day so that you can buy your gas and your groceries and so that we all can get the health care that we need. The pandemic has proved that housing is health care, that it is an important factor for the health and well-being not only of individuals and families, but of communities. It is a public health measure. It tells us that communities is more than just part of our name, but that community has to be the center of how we approach all of our work. We will get through this together. CommonBond has been around for about 50 years, and we intend to be around for another 50 years. We'll come through this stronger with your help. Thanks.